If you are new to this channel, then hi, I'm Dipesh. I am a part-time YouTuber and a high school student. I have received more than $1,000 from YouTube. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process to make attractive thumbnails for YouTube. Now let's jump into the video.
At first, open your Chrome browser, then search canva.com. It will take you to Canva website. If you are new, then sign up, else you can sign in with your Google account. Now click on Create or Design, then search YouTube thumbnail and tap on it. Go to Upload and select background for your thumbnail. Open new tab and search remove.bg. Click on Upload and select the image to remove its background. Click on Download and open Canva website. Bring your photo in upper layer of background. Now I will add two thumbnails which I have edited previously. Bring one black image and add text above it. After completing your thumbnail, go to download button and select JPG, then download it. You can see we have finally made thumbnail for this video.
I wish you have got the idea to make attractive thumbnails. That's all for today. See you in next video.